In this video, we'll be showing you how to knit in bamboo stitch. Today, I'll be using 5mm straight knitting needles and our shiny happy cotton yarn. To work in bamboo, we'll be knitting in a 2-row repeat. Now let's get started. Cast on a multiple of 2 stitches. You can see I've made a couple of rows here already. For your first row, knit 1 stitch. Yarn over and knit 2 stitches. Lift the yarn over with the tip of your left hand needle over the 2 knitted stitches on your right like this. Make a yarn over, knit 2 stitches, and then lift the yarn over with the tip of your left hand needle over the 2 knitted stitches already on your right. Repeat that section until you have 1 stitch left of the row. Knit your last stitch. For your second row, purl the entire row. Continue repeating these 2 rows until you have your desired length. Thanks for watching!